Hey everybody, check out what I have here. I have a 2-in-1 Squeegee window cleaner, so I can clean my windows. My windows are dirty because we've been doing a lot of construction around here. So this should be handy for me. Get these pieces out. I'll show you it. Man, there's a lot of stuff in here. They fit a lot of stuff in this little box. Okay, put this box over there. Okay, we have the pole here. It looks like, let's see which way it's gonna go. This is what I don't know if this is a manual. Oh, it is, kind of. Something dropped, but there's the manual for it. So let's see. Important note, we upgraded the holder. So this one here is upgraded. So we have an upgraded information for it. Okay, so these are gonna go in here, I think. Right, this is gonna slide in, and then, oh, and it grabs in. So there, that piece is together. Here's another one. Let's see. Oh, that's gonna be the end piece, the back piece, and then that's gonna be the top piece. Okay, so then this one will go here. There, clips in. Nice, I like this style better than the screw-on ones. Screw-on ones, because they always end up unscrewing when they're trying to do something. So this here is not going anywhere, because it clips in. There we go. Okay, so now I have my pole, and at the end of it here, we need to put our squeegee. So, how does it go? It goes in here like this. Oh, and there we go. And then we can push this up here. So here's our scrubber brush. We can dip that in our bucket, and then our little blade will go there. Let's see, what does that show? Here's the blades. See. So we have a long blade and a short blade. I'm gonna do the short blade until I get the hang of it. So you see you got a little hole in there. Reminds me of putting on an Apple Watch band, but we'll slide it through somehow. Go this way. There we go. I guess it can slide either way. And then, there we go. It clips in when it gets halfway. And so now we have a squeegee on this side, and we have the scrubber on that side. So now I can wash my windows. And what's cool is I can go sideways if I have to get somewhere over far away. I can do that and then squeegee it down. So it's kind of cool that it has that little folding ability as well. Oh, you can even do it at an angle like that. Very cool. So this is the squeegee brush here. And let's see. I think I did everything right. And then if we want to take it off, we can just push this down and slide it out and slide in the long one. So we'll wash some windows. Very cool. Thumbs up.